It's Dad from Dad's Simply Cooking. We're cooking dinner. Oh, let's talk about what we're doing. We're doing dinner. A meatloaf. But before you say, oh, meatloaf, Dad. Next. Here's a glimpse of it. Okay, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of said meatloaf. Here you go. You're still here. You have to admit, it looks pretty good. You have to admit. You have to admit. So, let's get down to this. I got my ground beef already out, ready to roll. Now we have a semblance of items. I'm going to do 3 eggs. Now, you're going to get your hands a little dirty, okay? So we're going to mix it in. Oh. I'm going to put my panko in too. Could have been a little bit smarter when I did to do. About 1/3 a cup of panko. Go ahead and add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Some pepper, salt, all Morton's natural seasonings. I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. Some of that garlic, onion powder, and a little bit of milk. Not too much. Start mixing that sucker in. Spray that bad boy down. Alright. I don't know what you think. Let's add a little bit of cheese to it. A little cheese. Put that sucker on down. We will make our sauce that goes on top of our meatloaf in a minute. We're going to throw this into the oven for about 20 minutes at 350, okay? For the sauce, we got a bowl. A little bowl there. Some ketchup. You know, there's a ketchup. The ketchup. The W sauce, Worcestershire. You can't forget the brown sugar. About 2 tablespoons of that brown sugar. All kinds of Morton seasoned salt. And just start whisking. Pan and parchment paper. Bam. Throw it in the oven 350. I like doing my bacon in the oven. To me, it just makes it good. Like, good and crispy. Idaho Applewood smoked bacon mashed potatoes bowl, right? A bowl. 4 cups of water into your thingy bobber, your dish thing, and go ahead and cut your heat on to high. Oh, and there's a smudge on the can. All right, we got our heat cut on the high. Good. That seasoned salt. Just to be fancy, I'm going to show you me cooking peas out of a can. Wow. Okay. Meatloaf. If you have one of these things, a little paintbrush, they come in handy. And we're just going to coat the top of this delicious decadent meat. Called some meatloaf. Go on thick with it. Perfect. Back in your oven for about 10-15 minutes. So we're gonna get our mashed potatoes. Hey, you need to have a little potatoes in the morning. Okay. Oh, be kibi. So 1 bag. And then go with 2 bags. Wish. Season it up a little bit with some pepper. And now if you want, you can always add in a little bit of sour cream. A little dollop of daisy. Dollop of daisy. Just a little bit. My papa will be joining us tonight for dinner. My mother is out of town. A meatloaf. Here's how it's gonna go. I'm gonna let this set for a minute and then I'll be back. We're gonna take this mashed potatoes. We're gonna put it over the top. like so. That is mashed potatoes. Yep. That is pepper. Looking good. All right. We're going to add some cheddar. Why do we add cheddar, Jerry? Because cheddar's better. Okay. A little bit of that cheddar. A little bit of that bacon that we were just cutting up. Back into the oven. I know, but Dad, come on, man. We are venturing back into the oven. So, y'all, this is just one of those good old family dinners. Bring back a little bit of nostalgia, but also throw in a little bit of that great old dad kick to it. You know, meatloaf doesn't have to be that old meatloaf of what you remember from back in the day when your mom would make it. Look at that. It is done. I hope. Knife. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Fingers crossed. Oh, look at that. A little bit of everything right there. Oh, that's really good. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for being here. Love you. Catch you in the next one.